Anyway, so I've just gotten back from uni, and I'm feeling rather cozy because it decided to be sunny today when I was walking home. I mean, it was kind of chilly in the morning, like it was, usual kind of, the sun is shining, but it is cold. But, it was really sunny walking back, so I have a thing. I'm immensely satisfied with myself. But I wore Legwarmers today, which added to that flusterment. As you can see, it's not helping. I'm also snazzy for, like, no reason. I don't know. But I want to take off my Legwarmers, which I don't know if I can. I'm not gonna edit this. Cause stuff that noise. That'll do it, right? Yo! They're great, but a bit warm for today. So I'll be taking those off fairly soon. So, squeaky chair. Tuesday means 3-hour lab for game studies, which, can I say, awesome. Just an excuse to be a big nerd, which agrees with me, to say the least. But we got started working in Unreal Engine today. In Unreal. And, it was freaking hysterical. I ended up, having, like, sitting next to one of the tutors, the one who's not so technically inclined, as he was mucking around with a preset. And, it was the preset for, vehicle games. So, the first thing anyone does with any kind of, like, interactive vehicle, thing, is try and make the car go really bloody fast. So, naturally, you lower the mass, and you up the velocity, and you up the torque, and you up the this, and you up the that, and all that sort of stuff. And, the car went slower. He'd done a whole host of things, and it wasn't working. And he kept trying harder and harder, to the point that, like, it kept getting slower and slower, until eventually it wasn't even moving, and could only go in reverse. And then, after that, it wouldn't move at all. And then after that, it went rocketing off into the sky, and wasn't so much driving as just spinning wildly in space. And he was getting increasingly more frustrated, because that's not how physics works! And he's trying so hard to make this car go fast, and he can't even get it to move. And it was really, really funny. So that was a good time. And, yes. There was other things I had on my mind. Ah! Drop things on the floor. I really should have gotten a drink, man. Just put some lip balm on, because my lips are terrible at the moment. Actually, not as bad as they were a little while ago. This one's grape, with that strong, strong artificial grape smell. And, I don't know, I've just been feeling it lately. I have many, many lip balms at the moment. Like about 10? 11 different ones? I get bored. So it's a grape kind of day. Yes. Smelled strongly of artificial grape, tastes vaguely of soap. It's fine. I'm trying to motivate myself by doing this blathering thing so I can get my head in order, because that's not its default state and I need to make it so. So this is a reading journal for my travel writing paper, which means I have to read a thing that and then I'll write a thing about having read the thing as it goes. So I need to motivate myself to do that, because of course then after that I have to work on the essay for propaganda and advertising, which involves these big dirty grape 12-page readings. Basically, to kind of be like, well, you can't treat propaganda, advertising, and commercial communication as the same. That's basically what we're trying to think about. That's it. But, yes, Dirty Great. 24 pages of stuff, and you're supposed to find more stuff, and lots of stuff. And examples, too. The examples are infinitely easier to read. Because you find a video clip and it's 2 minutes 30 and you look at it and you go, cool, that's this type of communication, and you use it and it's good. But, like, other readings and junk. Because so you just pull for part of it and don't even read the whole thing. As is tradition. I've talked about 3 of the papers I'm in. I did some doodles the other day in one of my lectures, just scribbling in my visual diary that I brought because game studies is helpful to have that sort of thing. Pages turning rather loudly. So, I did a little colouring of my little robot. My little robot! He's pretty cute. I don't know. I made him green and orange and blue, because that's a highly contrasting color scheme. I'd already drawn the spot, but I just made a colored little doodle thing, because I'm lazy. Also flowers. I don't know, man. I have colored ballpoint pens. Did you expect me not to scribble? They're also helpful for academic purposes. Now I'm pretty hungry, because I haven't eaten since breakfast, and it's 1:30, 1:40 or so. What I should do on Tuesdays is set a pizza, because I come past the Pizza Hut for like 1:20, and then just grab pizza. I'm thinking I might do that, like, on some of these nicer days, that just order a pizza, so you come back from your uni and you just pick it up on the way, and you have pizza. That sounds good. I might do that. Where was I going with that, aside from just being like, I could go for some pizza? What I'm gonna do, though, is make some soup and toast and eat that. Soup and toast is glorious, too, so that's fine. I feel like there's something I'm forgetting. Probably. Many, many, many things that I need to do. Welp. I should stop before I just carry on until the ends of time. So, good morning, good day, good evening, good night. And, whenever I turn the camera on again, I suppose. Can you believe that I remembered the thing? The good day, and now I'm gonna mess it up. Good morning, good day, good evening, good night, whatever stuff. Good afternoon. Greetings! And stuff. Enjoy yourself. Dang it. Yeah. Oh, hopeless. Bye.